Yeah, last night it was real windy, and my canopy flew over this wall here. It flew right over this wall. It flew right over the palm tree. Can you believe that? It was so windy. My canopy flew over this wall, over that palm tree, over that swimming pool, over that fence, and into the neighbor's backyard. Can you believe it? Look, it even smashed the metal. Look at this. It smashed metal, but it didn't break a window. Look at this metal that it smashed. This is incredible. Look at this. It broke apart screws, yo. Isn't that something? Wow. Have you ever seen anything like that by the wind? And they just left it there and didn't tell me. It flew. Could you imagine that? That would have to be on the news. It flew from that balcony all the way over there. Incredible. That's the most outrageous thing I've ever seen. Or not seen it, because, come on, man. What the fuck, man? My heart is broken, man. I'm moving. There's no way I can stay here. I'm so embarrassed. Look at this ghetto shit, man. I deserve better than this shit, man. This shit's stupid. Leaving shit like that for 10 hours. Now look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It broke metal. It threw a tent all the way to the other side. But somehow, these plastic cups didn't even budge. These limes didn't even move. Look at that. This speaker didn't even fly off. Look at this. The speaker didn't even fly off of here.
Yeah, the winds were strong on that side, but Alex and Nick said to come over anytime. We need to get them. He said we come over anytime.
Look at the paper cups. This must be some heavy ass paper cups.